Study the second derivative of the variation in the variation table of f of x, which is equal 1 over 2 x squared e power x plus 1. So answer for that. So then f of x is equal what? Is equal 1 over 2 x squared e power x plus 1. How to find the f derivative of x? F derivative of x is equal to 1 over 2 x squared e power x plus 1 derivative. So this derivative is the derivative of two multiple or the product of two functions. This is the seventh one. 1 over 2 times x squared derivative e power x plus 1 plus x squared e power x plus 1 derivative. So this is equal to 1 over 2 times 2x. When you derive this, so e power x plus 1. So then plus derivative of this x squared, derivative of that also it is x plus 1 derivative, which is equal 1. Then also we watch this, which is equal e power x plus 1. So by factorization, this is equal 1 over 2 e power x plus 1 bracket 2x plus x squared. So this is the first derivative. First derivative of x is equal to that. So because we need to draw the table of variation, we find also the stationary point or the roots of the first derivative. So the roots of first derivative, we find f derivative of x is equal to 0. So then 1 over 2 e power 2x plus e power x plus 1 times 2x plus x squared must equal to 0. So it means that this number is the number which is different to 0. This term in the bracket, it can be 0, but it can't be a 0. So then 2x plus x squared is equal to 0. Some people, they make the errors for this x squared is equal to x, they simplify x by x. No, we use the factorization method. So use x is equal to plus x is equal to 0. According to that, x is equal to 0 or other x is equal 2 plus x is equal to 0, x is equal minus 2. This is the root for the first derivative. So let's make the second derivative. For the second derivative, f derivative, second derivative is equal to, we take the first derivative and derive it. So it is equal 1 over 2 e power x plus 1 times 2x plus x squared, then derivative. So this is equal 1 over 2 times this derivative, which is e power x plus 1, then times 2x plus x squared, then also plus 1 over 2 e power x plus 1 times this derivative, which is equal to 2 plus 2x. 2, which is what is derivative, plus 2x, which is located for that. So by factorization, 1 over 2 e power x plus 1 bracket this is equal to that. So then 2x plus x squared plus 2 plus 2x. So then this is equal 1 over 2 e power x plus 1 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 2. So this is the second derivative of x. The second derivative of x. So that is the second derivative of x. Also, we can find the roots of the second derivative. For the finding the roots of second derivative, f second derivative of x must be equal to 0. When this is equal to 0, this differs to 0. because there's no number which can give us the 0 when you put it in that. So it means that b is equal to 0, then x squared plus 4x plus 2 must be equal to 0. We solve this quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, you can use delta discrimination. So delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac, which is equal, b is equal 4. This is equal 16 minus 4 times 2, which is equal 8. Square root of delta is equal to square root of 2. Because square root of 4 times 2, which is equal to that. So, according to that, so then let's use that. So according to that, x1 is equal minus b plus root of delta over 2, which is equal minus b is equal minus 4 plus square root of delta is equal to square root of 2 over 2, which is equal minus 2 plus 6 square root of 2. x2 is equal minus b plus square root of minus 2 square root of 2 over 2, which is equal, this is equal 4 minus 2 minus square root of 4. So this is the value of that. Let's use that also. So the first derivative we get it, the second derivative we get it. So the table of variation is the table which contains f the first derivative, the second derivative, and so on. So then here there is x. So for that, so when you put this x, here there is minus infinity, here there is plus infinity. Remember that this is the roots of the first derivative, which is equal minus x is equal to 0 and x is equal minus 2 for the first derivative. So here there is f derivative of x, f second derivative of x, then here is the f of x or conclusion. So then according to that, sorry, so here there is minus infinity and plus infinity. The roots obtained for the first derivative is equal 0 and minus 2. 0 and minus 2. The roots obtained for the second derivative is equal minus 2 plus root of 2 and minus 2 minus root of 2. Minus 2 minus root of 2 is located here. Minus 2 minus root of 2. Here there is also minus 2 plus root of 2 is equal to 0 minus 2 plus the square root of 2. So I think it's like that. So this is negative, so we use this as the number in right, minus infinity plus infinity. So the rest is equal to that minus 2 minus root of 2. The next is what? The next is equal minus 2. Then minus 2 plus root of 2. Then 0 is the greater. So for that, 0 is located here and 0 located here. For that, 0 is located here and 0 is located in that side. So for the first, so we have x squared plus 2x. So it means that because the first derivative, we use that also the quadratic, we see the sign of that and put here. It means that this is positive, negative, positive. So also for that, we use the quadratic equation like this. So check the sign of that. Also this is positive, minus, positive. So here we use this for this is the conclusion according to that. So when you have a positive, it means that increasing. Here there is a certain number. When you replace that in f of x, also this is the increasing. So then here decreasing, also that increasing. So for example, when you press this 0 into our equation, we get 0 e power 0 is equal to 0. So according to that, we get 0. For that, when you use this minus 2, here is equal for 2 e power, then is equal e to e. So then this is the value. So and so on, then this for minus we get 0. In dominant function here there is also for that we get plus infinite. Here we get 0. Okay. So there is a first conclusion or the increasing because it's positive, decreasing because it's negative, increasing because it's positive. For the second, we use the concave up because it's positive, concave down, also concave down, concave up because the second derivative. So this is called the table of variation. So if we have the problem about that, ask on comment. Thank you.